Dear students, welcome back to Devasha International School online teaching. I hope you all are fine. And students, one more thing, I hope you all have submitted your mid-sem exam paper. If you have not submitted, then just try to submit as soon as possible. So, now students, we are going to start with the chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. So students, आई होप जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि ये चीज़ें ऑलरेडी आपने लोअर सेक्शंस में थोड़ा बहुत आपने स्टडी किया हुआ है. क्लियर? सो नाउ आपको पता होगा स्टूडेंट्स, एडोलेसेंस का मतलब क्या होता है. क्लियर? थोड़ा बहुत आपको आइडिया होगा. नाउ and in chapter number 9 also we have discussed about some few points about reproduction. Clear? Now, so students, I am going to read line by line. Okay, just try to follow this. In the previous chapter you have learned how animal reproduce. It is only after growing up to a certain age that human being and many other animals can reproduce. Why can human reproduce only after a certain age? So now students, ये जो पैराग्राफ है इसमें क्या बता रहा है कि ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टडीड इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर. हमें ये पता है कि देयर आर मैनी एनिमल्स हु कैन रिप्रोड्यूस बट आफ्टर growing certain age, after attaining certain age. Now animal can also reproduce, human being can also reproduce, but human can reproduce after a certain age. That age we will just discuss in this chapter. Now in this paragraph, in this chapter, you will learn about changes that take place in the human body after which a person become capable of reproduction. In chapter number 9 you have learned about human reproductive organ. Here we shall discuss the role that hormones play in bringing about changes that makes a child grow into an adult. So now students, in this chapter the point is human can reproduce after a certain age. Clear? And before that some changes are going on inside the body of human being. And what are that changes? That we will discuss now. 10.1, adolescence and puberty. So now the point is adolescence. You know what is the meaning of this? So students, here one story is given. Buju was celebrating his 12th birthday. After his friend left, Buju and Paheli began chatting with their parents. Paheli studies in an all-girls school. She started laughing. She remarked that many of Buju's school friends whom she met after a year had suddenly shoot up in height. Some of them were looking very funny with hairy line above their lips. Her mother explained that the boys had grown up. Growing begins from the day one is born, but upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spot in growing which becomes noticeable. Or we can say noticeable. The changes taking place in the body are a part of growing up. They indicate that they are no longer a child but are on the way to become an adult. So now the students, here the point is given. One birthday party has been arranged and few students and some friends came, and after finishing the party, that the students were engaged with their parents in the chatting, and now they are discussing about some changes. क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट जो उनके जो फ्रेंड्स जो बर्थडे पार्टी में आए थे वो बहुत दिनों के बाद, वो बहुत दिनों के बाद एक साथ आपस में मिले थे। तो जब वो आपस में गेट टुगेदर जब वो मिले तो उन्होंने देखा कि देयर आर मैनी चेंजेस, बहुत चेंजेस हुआ है। कहाँ पे? कुछ बॉडीज़ में, ओके, बॉडी, और यू कैन से इन अ शेप ऑफ अ वॉइस, यू कैन से बॉडी, यू कैन से एवरीथिंग। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे जो बच्चे थे वो आपस में डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि उस, ओके, मीन्स कुछ बच्चे थे जिसकी हाइट बढ़ गई थी, एंड सम फ्यू पीपल्स वे केम, ओके, सम हैज़ वेर डेवलप ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द लिप्स, ओके, लिप्स के थोड़ा सा ऊपर कुछ हैज़ का डेवलपमेंट हुआ था, ओके, अबो द लिप्स वी कैन सी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो पूरा डिस्कशन है वो ये जो बच्चे हैं वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कर रहे थे। तो उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें एक्सप्लेन किया कि दैट दिस स्टूडेंट्स और दिस चिल्ड्रंस आर, ओके, ग्रोइंग अप। ये जो बच्चे हैं ये क्या हो रहे हैं? ये ग्रोइंग अप, ये बड़े हो रहे हैं। दे आर जस्ट ट्रांसफरिंग टूवर्ड्स एडल्ट, ओके, दे आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स एडल्ट, ओके। अभी तो ये बच्चे हैं बट दे आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स एडल्ट, ओके, ये बड़े हो रहे हैं, अभी हुए नहीं बट दे आर ऑन द, ओके, ऑन द वे, ओके, वो प्रोसेस में कंटिन्यू है। क्लियर? नाउ, ग्रोइंग अप इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस, द पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. So now students, growing up is a natural process. Remember this, growing up is a natural process, the period of life when the body undergoes changes. Means we are talking about the time, okay, we are talking about the period of time, okay, when some changes are going on inside the body, okay, and that person is, okay, able to reproduce, leading to reproductive maturity, means he is going toward the maturity, and that period is called adolescence. And now students, okay, at what age the adolescence can start? Adolescence begins around the age of 18 and lasts up to 8, sorry, adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Since this period covers the teens, so it is also known as teenagers. So students, from 11 to maximum 19, this age or this period of time is called adolescence, or you can also call it as a teenagers. हम ये एज को टीनेजर्स भी बोल सकते हैं। क्लियर? ना, but students, suppose we will discuss about this adolescence. So now see the next paragraph. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence, and these changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Puberty ends when an adolescent reach, okay, reproductive maturity. Now students, now the point is that adolescence begins in a human being, and means adolescence means what? That changes, and these changes mark the onset of puberty. And students, what is the meaning of puberty? Puberty means a male and female is capable of reproduction. A male and female is capable of reproduction. And reproduction, students, already we have discussed in the chapter number 9. Okay. Now, when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity, what are the changes that we are able to see in a human body? Now see, what are the changes? So first point, changes at puberty. So students, at the time of changes at puberty, okay, first point, increase in height. So students, आपको पता है at the time of puberty there are many changes inside the human body. The first point, that is increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is the bones of the arms and the legs, elongate and make a person tall. So students, इंक्रीज इन हाइट, अब आपने देखा होगा स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ कुछ पीपल्स में, कुछ पर्सन में जो हाइट होती है वो सडनली इंक्रीज हो जाती है, उनकी हाइट क्या होती है, सडनली इंक्रीज हो जाती है. और वो कैसे इंक्रीज होती है स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज इन द बोन्स, मीन्स द लेंथ ऑफ द बोन्स कैन बी इंक्रीज. क्लियर, उनके आर्म्स और लेग्स के जो बोन्स होते हैं वो बड़े हो जाते हैं. Okay, elongated, that is called long. So due to this only the height of the person can be increased. Clear now? So this was the first point about changes at the time of puberty. So students, see, this is a ratio. मैं आपको एक चीज़ और बता दूँ students. Suppose we are talking about the changes. So students, if you will see, मैं आपको बता दूँ, here we are talking about the increase in the height. So students, a male and female, a female height can be increased, okay, and a male can also be increased. But students, अगर हम मेल और फीमेल दोनों को आपस में कंपेयर करें, so the height of the female can be increased much more than a male. Clear? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि जो फीमेल्स की जो हाइट होती है वो ज़्यादा तेज़ी से बढ़ती है कंपेयर टू मेल्स. क्लियर? सी द रेशियो इज गिवन. ओके, व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइट कैन बी इंक्रीज एट व्हाट एज? सी, एट द एज ऑफ एज इन ईयर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन बॉय इज़ देयर, उसकी एज कितनी है, 8 ईयर्स. सो अगर हम कंपेयर करें दोनों को कि मेल और फीमेल में हाइट कितनी बढ़ेगी, so at the age of 8 years in boys the height can be increased up to 72%, and in girls the height can be increased up to 77%. At 9 years it is 75 in boys and 81 in girls. These are the percentage of increase in height. At the time of 10 years, 78% boys, 84% girls. Clear? Now, हो गया यहाँ तक? चलो. So after this, one more point is there. Now, so students, see, at 11, 81%, girls 88, at 13, in male it is 88, and in girls it is 95. So students, यहाँ पे आप देख दोनों के हाइट में जो परसेंटेज है वो अलग अलग है, बट at the age of 17 to 18 the maximum growth of the height can be done. See, at the age of 17 in boys it is 99%, and in girls it is 100%, and at the age of 18 in boys it is 100%, in female it is 100%. So students, the answer is at the age of 18 years. At the age of 18 years, maximum development of height can be done. Clear? At the age of 18 years, maximum development of the height can be done. So students, आपने सुना होगा कि कुछ लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि 18 years के बाद हमारी जो हाइट है वो नहीं बढ़ती है. और आपने कुछ लोगों को ऐसा बोलते हुए सुना होगा कि 18 years के बाद हमारी हाइट इंक्रीज नहीं होती है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा क्यों होता है? सो वो आपको थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ गया होगा. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ ग्राफ. दे हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड द इंक्रीज इन हाइट ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल. सो मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया था स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर हम बात करें फीमेल्स की हाइट, तो फीमेल्स की हाइट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा तेज़ी से बढ़ती है कंपेयर टू मेल. चलो, क्लियर? Now next point. Initially girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of age both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth in height vary in a different individual. some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while other grow gradually. So now students, मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया, इनिशियली गर्ल्स ग्रो फास्टर देन बॉयज़. सो स्टूडेंट्स, गर्ल्स की जो हाइट है वो ज़्यादा फास्ट बढ़ती है कंपेयर टू बॉयज़, बट द मैक्सिमम हाइट कैन बी इंक्रीज अप टू द एज ऑफ 18 years. Clear? But students, one more point, it can also vary from person to person. अब स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि सब लोगों की हाइट एक साथ इंक्रीज हो जाए. कुछ लोगों में कैसा होता है, कुछ लोगों में द हाइट कैन बी इंक्रीज ग्रेजुअली एंड इन some other people's the height can be increased suddenly. So students, it can be vary from person to person. So आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, क्लियर, कि ये हर एक बच्चों में अलग अलग होता है. कुछ बच्चों की हाइट सडनली इंक्रीज हो जाती है और कुछ बच्चों की हाइट ग्रेजुअली. ओके, इट कैन बी इंक्रीज इन अ स्लो मैनर. नाउ, सो this point we have completed. Now the next point, there is no need for Paheli to worry. All parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Sometimes the arms and the legs or hands and feet of adolescents look oversized and out of proportion with the body, but soon the other parts catch up and result in a proportionate body. So students, one more thing, during the time of adolescence, some changes means a few particular part of the body can be increased. कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा होता है कि बॉडी के कुछ पार्ट्स का डेवलपमेंट होता है और बॉडी के कुछ पार्ट्स का डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है. ओके, सो आफ्टर सर्टेन एज, ओके, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एडोलेसेंस पीरियड ओनली. सो आफ्टर सर्टेन एज the development of other parts should also be there. So students, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कुछ बॉडी के पार्ट्स ओके सडनली इंक्रीज होते हैं, कुछ स्लो होते हैं. सो बॉडी के कुछ पार्ट्स जल्दी ग्रो हो जाते हैं, कुछ पार्ट्स में टाइम लगता है, बट बॉडी का जो पूरे बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी पार्ट्स है, ऑल द पार्ट्स कैन बी ग्रोन. ओके, ऑल द पार्ट्स कैन बी ग्रोन ओके आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर एज. एक पर्टिकुलर एज के बाद बॉडी के जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं उसका प्रॉपर ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दिस. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, चेंज इन बॉडी शेप. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव डिस्कस. ओके, क्या था? सबसे पहला पॉइंट था इंक्रीज इन हाइट. द सेकेंड पॉइंट, चेंज इन अ बॉडी शेप. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये भी पता है the shape of the body can be changed. Now see, I am going to read. Have you noticed that boys in your class have broader shoulder and wider chest than boys in a junior class? This is because they have entered the age of puberty, when shoulders generally broaden as a result of growth. In girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. So students, आपने ये चीज़ देखा होगा कि जो बच्चे होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 8th 9th एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड, द शेप ऑफ द चेस्ट मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से, द चेस्ट कैन बी वाइडर एंड द शोल्डर कैन बी ब्रॉडर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा होता है कि आफ्टर अटेनिंग द एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी, द शोल्डर्स बिकम ब्रॉडर एंड द चेस्ट बिकम वाइडर. ओके, if you want to compare this, so just compare yourself with other students of lower classes. You will see the difference. Now, so students, this was the comparison in boys. Now we will discuss about girls. So in girls, the region below the waist. So आपने देखा होगा स्टूडेंट्स कि गर्ल्स में क्या होता है, ओके, कि the region below the waist, okay, waist means okay we can say kamal. Okay, in girls the region below the waist becomes wider. So these are the changes in the body shape. Now in boys, the muscles of the body grow more permanently than in the girls. Thus, changes occurring in a adolescent's body and girls are different. So, students, one more thing, in boys, the growth of the muscles, you can say, बॉडी में क्या एक चेंजेस तो है. ओके, अब मेल्स में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, उनके बॉडी के जो मसल्स में जो ग्रोथ होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. किसके कंपेयर में? गर्ल्स के कंपेयर में. ओके, क्योंकि गर्ल्स के बॉडी में मसल्स का इतना ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है जितना वो बॉयज़ में होता है. सो दिस इज़ वन मोर डिफरेंस अबाउट गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ एडोलेसेंस. Clear? Now the next point, the third changes, that is called voice change. Did you notice that sometimes the voice of some of the boys in your class cracks? At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop large voice box. The growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat. So students, this point you know. Okay, आपने देखा होगा students, there are many childrens. The voice of all the childrens are different. So students, ऐसा क्यों होता है? And one more thing, if you compare the voice of male and female, if you will compare the voice of male and female, there is much more difference between these two. And why this is happening? Because you know, we are having a voice box. What? We are having a voice box. And now the question is, in male, the size of the voice box becomes large. The same thing in a girls, it will quite small compared to boys. Sure. Okay. So students, voice box or you can say larynx, both are same. Suppose we are talking about the size. So in male, the size of the voice box become large, and in girls, it will small. It will be small in size. Clear? So due to small in size, it is not possible for us to see from outside the body, but in boys you can easily observe the voice box from outside the body. Chalo, okay. Now, so this third point we have completed the difference. And students, it is also called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its small size. मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया. Okay, it is not possible for us to see because due to small size. Generally, girls have high pitch voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes harsh. This state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. So now students, the answer is, sometimes what happens, the muscles of the growing voice box. Okay, the meaning is that the muscles of the growing voice box go out of the control. Okay, out of the control means what we can say, okay, extra growth of the muscles will be there, and due to this, students, the voice of the male become harsh. Okay, and these things become, okay, these things will remain same for a few days. These things remain same for a few days, and after few days the voice becomes normal. Clear? Now, so if you will see this is a voice box, and it is very, okay, it is very easily observed from the outside. Okay, see that Adam's apple. Okay, now, so students, one more thing, at this period of time, one more changes is there. Increased activity of sweat and, okay, sebaceous gland. So students, sebaceous gland means what? It is also called oil gland. What we can say? Oil gland. So students, at the time of puberty or adolescence, this period of time, okay, the secretion of sweat and oil from the body will be there. So students, आपने देखा होगा at the time of, okay, means we can say the age between 11 to 19, okay, in male or female, you have seen the secretion of sweat gland, okay, secretion of sweat gland and oil glands increased. अब स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा होता है कि मेल और फीमेल का था, ओके, हमारी बॉडी में से ऑयल सीक्रेट होता है, आपने सुना होगा ना, ऑयली स्किन, एंड दिस, ओके, this is for this only, oily skin and sweat can be secreted from the body, and due to this, students, in our body some development of acne and pimples. आपने देखा होगा स्टूडेंट्स कि ओके कुछ जो बच्चे हैं उनको पिंपल्स, ओके, पिंपल्स ऑब्जर्व होते हैं, उनकी बॉडी में पिंपल्स आपको देखने को मिलते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब ये पिंपल्स क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज ड्यू टू दिस चेंजेस, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी में से क्या सीक्रेट होना स्टार्ट हो गया है? ऑयल एंड स्वेट. ड्यू टू दिस ओनली द पिंपल्स कैन बी डेवलप. ओके, नाउ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सम सेक्स ऑर्गन्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर we have already discussed about sex organs. 9.1 and 9.3 we have discussed. Now at puberty, male sex organs like the testes and the penis develop completely. So now students, at puberty, ये आपको समझ में आ गया. So at the time of puberty, in male sex organ that is called testes and penis, these two organs can develop completely. So here the testes also begin to produce sperm. So students, in male the testes begins to produce sperms, and in girls the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. So students, in girls the ovary becomes enlarged and is able to produce some eggs, and also ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Okay, so now here you can just remember 2 points. In male the sex organs will be testes and penis, and in female ovaries. Okay, these are the sex organs. Okay, now so you can say from the testes, the testes begin to produce sperms, and in girls the ovaries begin to produce ova or ovum, or you can say egg. Clear? Now one more change is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Adolescence is also a period of change in a person's way of thinking. So students, adolescence is also a period of change in the person's way of thinking. So students, आपने ऐसा भी देखा होगा कि जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, हमारा जो वे ऑफ थिंकिंग होता है वो भी चेंज होता है. ओके, एडोलेसेंस क्या है? एक पीरियड ऑफ, कि एक ऐसा पीरियड है जिसमें हमारी बॉडी में क्या होता है, जो वे ऑफ थिंकिंग होता है वो भी चेंज होता है. एडोलेसेंस आर मोर इंडिपेंडेंट than before and are also self-conscious. Intellectual development takes place and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. So students, आपने एक चीज़ और देखा होगा कि during this period of time we can say that students are able to think. They are taking much more time to think. Okay, for example, okay, there are many different works रिलेटेड टू सम डिफरेंट थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो जब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स की, जब कोई काम करना होता है तो वहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो कुछ चीज़ों को सोचते हैं. मीन्स दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द पॉजिटिव एंड द नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. मीन्स दिस इज द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दैट दे आर जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू द इंटेलेक्चुअल एंड इमोशनल एंड मेंटल चेंजेस. So this is the period of time in which they are having a maximum capacity for learning. Okay, this is the period of time they are having a maximum capacity of learning. Sometimes, however, an adolescents may feel insecure, and students, one more thing, sometimes what happens, they are feeling insecure. Sometimes they are feeling insecure while trying to adjust the change in the body and mind. But as adolescent learners, you should know that there is no reason to feel insecure. So students, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि दिस इज़ द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जिसमें क्या होता है, हमें थोड़ा सा इनसिक्योर फील होता है जब कुछ चीज़ों को हम करते हैं या कुछ चीज़ों को हम सोचते हैं, तो वहाँ पे हमें इनसिक्योर फील होता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, नो नीड टू फील एनी इनसिक्योर. कुछ भी इनसिक्योर फील करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस आर द चेंजेस. ओके, दिस आर द चेंजेस. ये क्या है, ये एक हमारे बॉडी का एक पार्ट है. ये जो चेंज हमारी बॉडी में हो रहा है, ये क्या है, ये एक पार्ट है. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द development of a body. So students, here the changes during the time of adolescence and puberty that we have discussed. 10.1 and 10.2 we have completed, and from next time we will start with 10.3, that is secondary sexual characters. Students, I hope it is completed. Jai Hind.